Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a tomato and a carrot for my Draw So Cute Veggie series. So let's get started. To draw this cute veggie couple, let's first start by drawing the tomato. So I'm going to come right here and draw the top of our tomato, and I'm going to start right here with a curve, and we're going to start to draw the leaves on top of the tomato. So I'm just going to come in here and we're just going to draw maybe, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know you don't call these leaves. I need to look it up to see what you call this on top of a tomato. So we're just going to bring this down. So everything is coming back to the center. And let's see here. Actually, you know what? Let's draw 5. 1 and 1 more. All right back to the center. And then let's draw the stem. This comes up with a curve, comes an angle, and then bring it right back in. There. So then now we can go ahead and draw our tomato. So it's all up to you what kind of shape tomato you want. I'm going to come about right here and just draw this big, juicy, ripe, round tomato. So about right here. Nice and big and plump. And I'll just bring it and connect it. So about right there. And connect it. There. It's kind of off. I'm looking at my camera now. It's like lopsided, right? So bring this up more. And I can fix this. So let's just bring this part in a little bit more. Okay, there. Now I have my tomato in, and you didn't see that because I'm going to erase that. Okay, so then from there, let's bring it to life and let's add some Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle since I have a lot of space. Put Draw So Cute eyes in here. I'm going to come right across about right here and draw another circle. Okay, so then let's come in here with 2 small circles, an angle for highlights, and then a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. From there, let's add a smile for this tomato. So I'm going to come right in between the eyes and just draw a soft curve and cap it off. Aww. Okay, so then from there, I thought I'd draw a carrot, right? Because this is my veggie series, and tomato would just be too simple, right? So let's add a carrot right here next to it. So right here, I'll go ahead and draw a curve. Just a baby carrot then. So we're going to bring it down right next to our tomato. And so once again, just like the tomato, the shape is all up to you how you want to draw your carrot. But as I come down here, I'm going to make it about the same level. So say about right here. I'm just going to give my carrot a little wobble at the bottom right here. And come right here and give a little wobble and connect. So it's just not so straight, right? Gives it some character. Then from there, let's draw the top of our carrot. So I come about right here, and I'm just going to bring out 3 of these. So about right here, another one here, and one more, maybe a shorter one. And then let's bring this carrot to life. So about right in this area, I'll come right here and just draw a small circle. Didn't have that much room, so I'm not going to make them draw so cute eyes. And I'm going to come in here and give a little highlight on this side and then shade it all in. And same thing here. There, I got two little beady eyes in, and then a curve above each eye, and then a sweet smile once again, right in between, and cap it off. And then let's give this carrot some texture. So you can do this when you're coloring as well. Maybe like a dark orange, or you can just show you really quickly here. But here and there, you just want to add these lines that barely comes in. There, it'll look much better once you color it in. Okay, and then from there, let's give our carrot some arms. So right here, I'm going to start, just bring an arm around, and I thought it'd be really cute to have this carrot making the heart shape with this hand. So about right there, and just going to add this heart right here. So it's basically two C's, one opposite, one flipped, I mean. And of course, I just realized I forgot about my tomatoes hands, right? So let's come right here, and I'm going to bring out a curve and just thicken the ends. Just a simple hand that comes out. And then this side, I thought maybe just kind of like touching our carrot right here. So we're just going to draw a curve right here to connect the two of them. And if you like, if it looks too barren right here, I'm going to see if this helps. I'm going to add a straight line across to make it look like it's not just floating. So I'm going to bring this all the way across. So they're all done. I really hope you love this tomato and carrot addition to my Draw So Cute Veggie series, and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.